Hey there, Jasmine with WTI. If you're looking for a little whimsy and happiness to light up your garden beds or your landscape beds this season, I have to share with you Brightown's twinkling garden lights. Let me show you how these little cuties work. The instructions are easy to understand and the rechargeable battery is super simple to replace if need be. There are only 2 parts to the light and those simply come together and the lights are ready to install. The solar cell is adjustable so you can optimize your sun intake once the light is installed. Click the cell to the on setting and choose the spot you'd like to install your light. Push the stake into the ground and choose the height you want it at, and then enjoy your lights on the very first night they're installed. My favorite thing about these lights is the twinkling effect. I love fireflies, and seeing these twinkle brings me a lot of happiness in the evenings. The lights are bright and powerful. I think these lights are a perfect gift for the gardener in your life. Brightown's twinkling lights are a fantastic product, but that's just my point of view.